Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make images glow in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a clean, customizable glow that makes any photo or graphic stand out, all with Canva's built-in tools. This technique is perfect for giving your Shopify store images, social media posts, or promotional designs an eye-catching, professional touch that draws attention. First, open your design in Canva. You can use an existing project or start a new one, but make sure the image you want to enhance is already placed on the canvas. This could be a product image, logo, or any other graphic. If you are working with multiple elements, it helps to zoom in a bit so you can see your changes clearly as you go. Zooming in also makes it easier to fine-tune your adjustments and ensure everything looks sharp and intentional. Next, select your image on the canvas. Click once to highlight it. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box around it. This is important because only the selected image will be edited. If you accidentally select the background or a text box, simply click directly on the image layer again. This step ensures that you're working on the correct element in your design. Now, look at the top toolbar and click Edit Photo, sometimes labeled Edit Image, depending on what you've selected. This opens Canva's editing panel along the side, where all the enhancement tools live. In that panel, go to the Effects section, then find the Shadows group. You might need to scroll a little to see it. The Shadows area contains several stylized shadow effects, and the one we want is Glow. Click Glow to apply it to your selected image. Right away, you'll see a soft halo appear around your image. By default, it's subtle, but we're going to refine it for the exact look you want. This glow effect is great for adding a standout element to your design, especially when you're looking to create contrast or highlight key visuals. To customize it, click the settings icon on the glow effect. This opens controls for color, size, blur, transparency, and intensity. Let's break down each of these settings. Color. Start with color to choose the hue of the glow. This gives you the flexibility to match your brand colors, pick a soft white for a clean highlight, or go bold with vibrant neon tones to create an attention-grabbing effect. For a more professional look, consider using colors that complement your image's palette, like a cool blue for a tech product or a warm orange for a sunset-themed design. Size. The size option controls how far the glow spreads from your image edges. Increase it for a wider halo or keep it tight for a crisp outline. A larger glow can add drama, perfect for a dynamic, energetic feel, while a smaller one can create a subtle effect that frames your image neatly. Blur. Blur softens the edges of the glow. Higher blur gives a dreamy, diffused feel, making your design feel softer and more ethereal. Lower blur keeps the edge defined, giving a sharper, more graphic look. For a sleek, modern design, you might prefer a low blur for crispness, while a high blur can work beautifully for more abstract, creative visuals. Transparency. This controls how opaque the glow appears. Lower transparency equals a stronger, more visible glow, while higher transparency keeps it gentle. A lower transparency works great when you want the glow to pop and attract attention, whereas a higher transparency creates a more subtle effect, perfect for backgrounds or when you want the glow to be more integrated with the image. Intensity. Finally, intensity affects how pronounced the glow reads overall, balancing brightness and presence. Adjusting the intensity ensures your glow doesn't overpower the image, but still makes a strong impact. Make small adjustments and watch the preview update as you tweak each setting. Fine-tuning the intensity can help you achieve the exact balance of boldness and subtlety, depending on your design's needs. If the effect ever looks too strong, ease back one or two sliders. Subtle changes often look the most polished, especially when working with high-resolution images. High-resolution images tend to glow more cleanly, so always try to use high-quality visuals for the best results. Consistent color choices also help your design feel cohesive and professional, especially if you're creating a branded look for your Shopify store or marketing materials. That's it! You've now learned how to make your images glow in Canva, giving them a bold, attention-grabbing look that enhances your designs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more creative tips and tricks.